Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is one of crypto's best use cases. But it's not always clear exactly what it is or why its future could be so promising. If you're looking for a quick explainer on everything DeFi, we've got you covered. Keep watching to learn the DeFi fundamentals in under 5 minutes. What is DeFi? DeFi's meaning is hidden in its name: decentralized finance. It's an umbrella term that's used to describe any kind of crypto application that replicates traditional financial services in a decentralized way, using blockchain technology. For example, Uniswap is probably the most popular DeFi application. It's a centralized exchange that allows users to swap different cryptocurrencies without having to go through a centralized company that collects personal information to do so. Aave is another popular DeFi application. It allows users to use their cryptocurrency as collateral to take out loans without having to go through a bank. Other crypto holders are paid an interest rate to provide their crypto assets as collateral for those loans. There are also DeFi applications that offer insurance, exchange liquidity, derivatives trading, and more. Put simply, if there's a financial service in the real world that you use, there's a good chance that there's now a DeFi app that acts as a decentralized alternative to it. Why people use DeFi? Now that we know what DeFi is, it's time to look at why people use it. There are a few reasons. First, DeFi protocols allow people to manage their finances without having to rely on a centralized authority. This is a game changer for people who live in countries with tough financial restrictions. It can also be helpful for people who live in more liberal territories but are worried about having their financial activities tracked. Another reason that people use DeFi is to take advantage of superior interest rates. Most DeFi protocols offer better rates than simply holding cash in a bank. Many allow you to access those rates by lending stablecoins or providing liquidity with relatively low-risk crypto assets. In other words, people are able to earn more by holding their money in DeFi protocols than they are by holding their money in a bank. It's also worth mentioning that DeFi is a faster solution for many financial situations. For example, anybody can use DeFi to borrow money instantly as long as they have enough collateral. But borrowing money from a bank could take weeks. What does the future of DeFi look like? Those are the main reasons that people use DeFi now, but how might this blossoming industry change in the future? The answer will likely depend on how regulators choose to approach DeFi moving forward. The big criticism of DeFi, as it is now, is that there's no oversight. Crypto enthusiasts may respond to that complaint by saying, "Yeah, that's the point." But there have been countless DeFi hacks and billions in stolen funds because there aren't really checks and balances in place for how DeFi protocols store, manage, and protect their users' funds. These hacks have become high profile enough to attract the attention of regulators. Now, governments across the world need to decide whether to ban decentralized financial applications altogether or provide some kind of oversight to give more protection to users without violating the decentralized spirit of these applications. There's no easy solution, but it's likely that we'll see regulators place some restrictions on what DeFi protocols can do in the future. The current DeFi landscape will almost undoubtedly change as a result of whatever regulations are chosen. But it's tough to say exactly how the industry will change until we know more about how governments will respond to DeFi. The bottom line is that there's clear value in DeFi protocols, as evidenced by how many users have been drawn to these applications. We're hopeful they'll be able to continue existing in one way or another moving forward. What do you think about the future of the DeFi industry? Could governments regulate it into the ground? Or do you think they'll find a good balance between protecting consumer safety and allowing innovation? Comment your answer below and let us know. If you're interested in learning more about crypto, the metaverse, and NFTs, make sure to obliterate that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching Metaverse Memo. Until next time.